All right, first grade, today for social studies, we will be doing 2 pages in our map skills book. Let's take a peek where we're at. We got a lot finished so far. We are right here. We will be on pages 16 and page 17. 16 and 17. Pause the video if you need some time to find it. Today we're going to be talking about left and right, and this can be a little tricky for first graders when they are first learning it. So you can see right here we have Buddy, but he is turned around. We are looking at the back of his head. This helps us with our left and right. When we are looking at the back of Buddy's head, this is his left hand, and this is his right hand. You can do this trick as well with yourself. You can put your pointers up and your thumbs out. The one that makes the L is your left hand. This one is not an L. That one is your right hand. Left and right. Buddy is visiting the animal park. He is trying to decide in which direction to walk. Directions tell us which way we want to go. Many kinds of unusual animals live in the animal park. Using the directions left and right will make it easy for Buddy to find them. Look at the drawing of Buddy. He is facing forward. You are facing the same direction. Put an X on his left side. Find his left side, put an X. Put a check mark on his right side. Now look at the map. Write the word left or right to tell which way Buddy should walk to get from animal to animal. So take a peek. First it wants us to see from the zebras to the tigers. If he is at the zebras and he needs to go to the tigers, will he be going to the right or the left? If you said right, you got it correct. Put the word right on your page. Now, if Buddy wants to walk from the lions to the giraffes, which way will he need to go? Find those lions. Find the giraffe. If he's going from the lions to the giraffes, which way will he be going? If you said left, you got it. And finally, from the blue elephant to the yellow elephant. Find that blue one. He's going to the yellow one. He is going from the blue one to the yellow one. Is he going left or right? If you said left, you got it. Start to use those words left and right when you are talking with moms and dads and with friends. And finally, we have a few jobs to do at the bottom of the page. It says put an X on the animal that is farther left. Is it the red elephant or the green elephant? So here's our red one. Here's our green one. Which one is farther to the left? If you said the red elephant, you are correct. We might even put an X on him right here. And then it says circle the animal that is nearer to the right. Who is nearer to the right, the bears or the camel? Here are the bears. Here is the camel. Which one is nearer to the right side of the map? If you said camel, you got it. Keep practicing those words, left and right.